It is time already to pack up the Laramy-K Optician Works Training Center and head off to Las Vegas, Nevada for Vision Expo West, where, once again, I am going to be a guest at the SIOS Santinelli International Optical Supply booth. That is booth LP11087, right in the heart of everything, next to one of the concession areas. They are going to be putting on workshops all day, every day. Mine will be at 11, 2, and 4. There is a website, if there are still spots left, that you can go and sign up to be part of that. And I'm going to be doing all about nose pads, standard alignment, and rebuilding a 3-piece mount. If you don't make it to a workshop, please stop by and say hello on your way by. I'll see you in a couple of weeks.